Welcome to Book Buddy. Smelling Their Prey. Animals with an Amazing Sense of Smell by Catherine Lay. Is that dinner I smell? Animals must find their own food every day. A good sense of smell is necessary for many animals to find food. They might have poor hearing or eyesight, but their sense of smell is strong. Many carnivores track their prey by smell. Even some herbivores use this sense to find plants to eat. A smelling tongue. A snake uses its tongue to smell. You might see a snake flicking its tongue in and out. It is smelling the air by picking up dust particles. These particles are carried to taste detectors in the snake's mouth. Flick your tongue in the air. Can you smell your dinner without your nose? A special organ in the roof of a snake's mouth sharpens its sense of smell. This is called the Jacobson's organ. The sense chemicals are taken by the tongue to the Jacobson's organ. It lets the snake know what animal is near. Human tongues are for tasting only, so you'll have to smell food with your nose. Smelling down under. Some animals can smell prey that is underground. Foxes are able to smell food that is buried under 2 feet of soil. The wild pig has a strong sense of smell. When it smells tubers, it digs with its large nose to find its food. A long, long nose. The giant anteater eats mainly ground-dwelling ants. It sometimes eats termites and army ants, which live underground. The anteater's strong sense of smell finds the ants from the top of the ground. Then it slurps them up with its long tongue. Elephants have the largest noses in the world. Their trunks have a better sense of smell than any other land animal. An elephant is constantly moving the tip of its trunk to smell. Sometimes it touches its trunk on something. Then it uses Jacobson's organ in its mouth to find out what the smell is, just like a snake. This is called the Fleischmann response. The smell of blood. A shark is able to identify different smells found in the ocean. Water flows in and out of its nostrils. They use the senses to decide which ones are food. A shark can recognize 1 drop of blood in 1 million parts of water. Sharks react strongly to the smell of fresh blood in the water. An injured shark will even try to eat itself. Predators, such as lions and hyenas, can smell blood from far away too. They choose whether it is something they want to eat or ignore. How far can you smell food? Does it have to be in the same room? How about in the same house? I know that smell. Most dogs are able to follow their prey before they even see it. A coonhound knows when a raccoon's track was made, how fast it was traveling, and in what direction. It ignores the scent of any other animal except the one it is chasing. If one friend was on the other side of the cafeteria with a hot dog and another friend was on a different side with a plate of spaghetti, could you figure out which was which by only sniffing? That fruit smells great. Fruit bats find their way by using echolocation and sight, but they locate ripened fruits, such as mangoes, by smell. That way they can fly right to the food they enjoy. don't need a nose to smell. Snails also use their sense of smell to find foods. Their diet includes vegetables, fruits, and decaying plants. They can even eat dirt if there is nothing else. They use their antennae to recognize chemicals given off by plants. Learning all about dinner. Smell is very important to a wolf. If an animal is downwind, a wolf can track its scent. A wolf can smell its prey from nearly 2 miles away. A wolf's sense of smell is strong enough to tell the difference between its pack, enemies, and prey. Once it has the scent of prey, it moves ahead on to make the kill. A bear's sense of smell is 2,100 times better than a human's. Bears can smell a dead animal that is upwind and as far away as 20 miles. The area of the brain that directs the sense of smell is called the olfactory bulb. A bear's olfactory bulb is 5 times bigger than its human's. Its nose has hundreds of tiny muscles that move it as easy as people move their finger. Without their amazing sense of smell, many animals would go hungry. Can you smell food? Cooking at home or school? It must be time to eat.